Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you a very nice recipe for red potatoes and asparagus. This is my new recipes and I hope you enjoy. Red potato and asparagus salad. It's a warm salad and I need 5 potatoes and about 10 asparagus and half an onion. Red potato I will cut in small pieces. Next part, I will remove the hard part from asparagus. Here's the bend. And remove the hard part. And now I will cut asparagus in small pieces. The bite size. And today I will steam my red potato and the steamer basket. This way I will save all vitamins and minerals. 1 part of simmer I needed for asparagus, and I will actually put the asparagus later on because they need less time to cook. Cover and wait about 20 minutes. And next part I will make the vinaigrette for my salad. I need 5 garlic cloves, black pepper and salt to taste, avocado oil, about 3 tablespoons, and balsamic vinegar, and I'll put 5 tablespoons garlic, vinaigrette, just 2 tablespoons will be enough. Black pepper, and just combine all ingredients. Potato are pretty soft. The next part, asparagus, cover. Red onion. I steam asparagus for just 7 minutes and looks like it's ready. And now I will remove from the steamer. Next part, I'll add red onion. Next part, I'll add vinaigrette. Combine all these beautiful ingredients together. Green parsley, about 2 tablespoons. Gently mix everything. And this is my proposition for dinner: red potato and asparagus salad. I serve this salad warm. Grill chicken leg and bake vegetable mosaic, pieczone warzywa. It's episode 24 and I hope you enjoy. Red potato and asparagus salad is done. If you like this video, please give me thumb up. Be sure to share with your friends and family. Subscribe for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.